guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Yeah, literally welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Yeah, in case you're just new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. Yeah, for you guys to dance and watch and post in your social media and go and dance inside party in the party. Yeah, I do that tutorial for you guys. So in case you're interested, subscribe to the channel down below, like this video, and you can literally drop me a comment. Yeah, drop me a comment. And at the end of this video, I'll be putting a shout out to anybody that watches videos up to the end. Yeah, at the end of the video, I'll put a comment there. All you have to do is just drop the comments in the comment section, and voila, you're gonna get a shout out at the end of my video. Yeah, at my next video, you're gonna get a shout out. And I'm doing more videos this month and next month. Yeah. More videos. So let's not talk yada yada talk. Let's dive right into this dance. So this dance is trending on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, wherever you want it. So it's like a popular dance. So in case you dance it, everybody you can actually say, wow, wow, he knows to dance, that kind of thing. So that kind of vibe now. So let's dive right into the screen. The first step in this dance, this video is mirrored by the way, it's mirrored. So the first step in the dance tutorial is, let me show you how to dance. Let me show you. So you slide up to the front. Like I used to do I position my hand. So you position your hand like this. Dance. I see. So let me show you how to dance. Let me show you how to dance. Come on. I see. So you dance, drop, 1, 2, 4 times. Sorry, I'm going back 4 times. So you let me show you how to dance. Let me show you how to slide forward. You drop your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back 4 times. Actually, I'm doing the doggy move backward. If you're not a doggy, teach me how to doggy. 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 You can doggy. Just doggy backwards 4 times. So it's, let me show you how to dance. Let me show you how to dance. Come on. I see. I just did my own in a twisted form of doggy. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I went back 4 times. If you are watching this challenge, you know it's the same thing, almost the same thing. So let's go 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Dance. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Just adjust it. So you do, if you can doggy 4 times back. If you can do my style, just do my style 4 pace back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going 5, 6, 5, 6. Come on. 1, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing more, nothing less. It's basically just that, guys. So it's, you slide up in front, you drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, after that, next time we do this, so you hit the ground, back. You hit the ground and turn. So let's go from start. 5, 6, 5, 6, go. Let me show you how to dance. Let me show you how to dance. Come on. Let me show you how to dance. Let me show you how to dance. Come on. I want to do that doggy back. I want to do my own kind of doggy. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Dance. Come on. Let me show you how to dance. Come on. 1, 2. You see dance, guys. Let me just do slowly, but you get it. So after you've done the slide forward, you drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your feet on the ground. Then you turn. When you have done turning, 1, 2. We are getting me. 1, 2. So let's go. Please don't subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Like this video and share to your friends, basically, guys. Let's go. So it's 5, 6, 7. Let's slide. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 1, 2. Basically. So let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Go. You slide. Don't slowly slide. You drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp. Turn around. You 1, 2. So I look at your right leg up. Hit your right leg. Hit your left leg. I just see. So 1, 2. Let's go. When you start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Down. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Turn. 1, 2. Don't tell me this is not easy for you guys. If it's not easy, you gotta rewind the video back and rewatch it again. Yeah. You're not getting what I want to talk. You just really gotta watch it again. Alright, let's go. You gotta watch. You just need to watch it again. Yes. Let's go. 5, 6, 5. Let's go. Make me go. Slide. You drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody call it doggy backwards. So you slide. You drop. 4 doggies backward. You stamp, you turn, you hit. Basically, 5, 6, 7, let's go. Slide, come on, let me show you what it is. Stamp, 1, 2. Then after that 1, 2, next thing you do is you go back, you raise up your hands, as you freeze, you bend your neck, then you doggy backward twice. Like you literally do the real doggy backwards twice. Let me do that after this. So once you do, you stamp your feet, go, you jump back while your hands up, bend your neck, like you bend your neck, and you doggy. 1, 2. So let's go. We start 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Step. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eat. Stop. 1, 2. Then you stamp. Bend. 1, 2. Once you do the 2 doggy, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, through the dance, literally, guys. That is the dance. Yeah, that's the dance. Yeah, literally through the dance. So let's go. We start one more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Play slide. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You keep. You turn. 1, 2. Up. Bend. 1, 2. Go. 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 So like that, so you are doing that doggy 2 times backward. I want you up, break. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. So it's 4 times, it's 2 times I'm doing that doggy. Up, break, doggy, doggy. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start one more time. We start 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Slide. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess so it's slide before you go backwards. So it's 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Slide. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit. Turn. 1, 2. Hip. Turn. 1, 2. K. 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 So basically, guys, that's the dance for this training song. Let's go one more time. 5, 6. Let's go together. Slide. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing it slow for you guys that ain't getting it. For those that are getting it, let's do together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Slide, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit. 1, 2. Jump, break. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think I've ended my own with the doggies. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Doggy. Basically, guys, so that is the dance tutorial for this trending song. Yeah, for those of you that ain't getting it, you literally have to rewind back your screen and watch it forward again. In case you are finding any step difficult, just let me know in the comments. Just say the step before the doggy, the step after the doggy, the step 2 steps after the doggy, and let me know, and I'll teach you guys. Yeah, I'll teach you guys that song, that dance in particular. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe down below. I'll come to the end of this video. Subscribe down below, like this video, and comment what you think in the section. Now, for those of you that watch the video up to the end, comment I watched Teoluckzboom. Yeah, just comment I watched Teoluckzboom. Then I'll give you a shout out at the end of my video in my next video. Yeah, shout out to you guys that commented I watched Teoluckzboom. Yeah, I'll give you a shout out. Your name specifically, I'll call your name in the video. You're not doing it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. And yeah, if you leave it up my tutorial, that's actually a video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.